Hello guys, welcome to another cooking video here in my channel. And to all people who watched my last video, thank you very much. So today, what I said, we will make a Japanese gyoza or fried dumplings. This kind of gyoza is the one that you can see in ramen restaurant. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. At this time, you can now put the pork, garlic, of our dumplings. We need a spoon, wrapper, dumpling mold, and water. When you already put the fillings, use water to lock your dumplings. In this part, you have a gentle hand. Be careful guys not to break the wrapper. You can form your dumplings like this. You can also form these dumplings in any design you like. But some of the beginners cannot do this. That's why you can also use a mold. I bought these dumpling molds in Seria, or you can find them in Daiso. So here we go. We are now ready to cook our gyoza. At this point, I put 6 pieces in one line in my fry pan. Total of 12 pieces. Heat the pan into a medium heat. Put 60 ml of water and steam. Steam gyoza in 5 minutes. Put the lid until the water is dissolved. When the water is already gone, you can now put the oil and spread in the fry pan. When the bottom is already crispy, now reverse the gyoza. Be careful not to break the gyoza. It's ready to serve. Here are fried, crispy gyoza. Thank you for watching everyone. If you love my videos, just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for new videos. また今度のビデオでよろしくお願いします。じゃあね。